Here's how to sign up on cal.ai the right way. First, open the cal.ai app or go to their website. Tap Get Started. Before signing up, you'll answer a few quick questions. Enter your weight, height, and age, then select your activity level. Next, pick your goal, like losing fat, gaining muscle, or staying healthy. Choose your diet preferences, such as vegan, low carb, or high protein. Now it's time to sign up. Use Google, Apple, Facebook, or enter your email or phone. Set a secure password and verify with a code. Finally, you'll be asked to start a free trial or choose a monthly or yearly subscription to unlock full access. And that's it. Your personalized cal.ai experience begins now.